do-it-yourself, portable heater, alcohol, toilet paper at the bottom, rocks on the top. You have your tin can. Very, very affordable and very, very effective. Stay tuned. Okay, family, so we are outside in the storage. It is 10 degrees outside. We have a snowstorm, blizzard, and everything. We have been using these heaters very, very effective. We have tissue paper at the bottom, rocks at the top, and we have a tin can, and we just set it on a cast iron plate. Very effective. Okay, portable heater. It is 5 degrees outside. We have snow. Open it up for a second, baby. And portable heater for the win.